Hi friends, today we are going to see Indian National Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which topic you'd like to see next. Thanks.